BSK, the leader company healthy and safety water. The 5th generation rinsing series of high-pressure back spray, a water filter that can self-clean. Water is the source of life. Clean water guarantees our health. However, the water that we drink daily is unsafe, and there has particle impurities such as rust, sediment, bloodworms, and algae. They are visible by our naked eyes, which is harmful for our health. It will clog nozzle, shower, and spool, and bring hidden perils in water-contacted electrical appliances and loss of property. Water is getting polluted because the water source is contaminated by waste of domestic water and industrial consumption, or by rust from old pipes, seepage, breakage and installation during water delivery in secondary piping network, or there could be a secondary pollution in the storage, such as in the water tank on the roof. The 1998 legislation made in Germany in 1988 stipulates that a new building shall be equipped with impurity filter for its header pipe to ensure that the water is safe for use. The first phase includes installing the pre-filter to exclude pollutants before it enters the pipeline. The 5th generation of BSK Back Spray Rinsing Central Water Filter Series tops the lists for pre-filters all across the globe. The pre-filters are safer, cleaner, more convenient, and technologically advanced. The 5th generation of BSK pre-filter dramatically improves water conditions for thousands of households and guarantees a safer and healthier water source for users in the long run. It is known for being a reliable provider and source of domestic water. This series employs the latest variety of patent technologies to provide satisfactory services to the consumers. The 5th generation of the non-dismantling technology integrates the diversified effective cleaning methods and provides solutions to scrubbing screen holes, screen surfaces, and acts as a wall for the filter flask. It has a one-switch back flushing mode with an automatic switch. When the flushing valve is opened, the decompression comes downward from the outlet. The water pressure is greater than the spring force and pushes the screen group and moves it downward. It automatically closes the water entry of the filter screen and opens the water entry for back flushing. The change of water entry enables 100% back flushing mode. It avoids any repeated on-off operations in the traditional back rinsing mode. It also has a 360-degree spinning jetting that is driven by the water. It uses hydraulics and dynamics that works alongside the high-pressure water gun. Water flow is able to conduct flow, high pressure and high speed back flushing on filter screen through the 6 layers of nozzles ensure a 360-degree auto spinning jetting without leaving anything unturned. The filter can also remove any contamination that is sticking to the filter screen. It has solved the problems detected on the 2nd generation of back flushing products such as insufficient flush, more dead corners, poor effect, and complicated operations. The double-sided 3-dimensional scraping technology with wiper scrubbing and internal scraping can completely remove the colloid contamination from the screen surface. This technology adopts a symmetric profiled staking, which makes the cleaning more complete and effective, as well as preventing abrasion on the screen for the 2nd generation. Ingenious design of external scrapping enables a complete removal of contamination from the inner wall of the filter flask and keeps the filtering status visible for most of the time. For a durable filtering method, we adopt a 20 to 40 micrometer high-precise SS316L stainless steel filter membrane that has an upgraded filtering effect in comparison to the traditional membrane that has a 90 to 110 micrometer filter fineness. The water flow is set to 8 tons per hour by the filter membrane with high influx that is larger than the surface area of the conventional membrane. Water flow at high flux guarantees a stellar performance that reduces damage to the water filters and extends the maintenance cycle of the product. It is suitable for water use in the rural areas that has reported serious impurities and other water conditions. It has met the requirements for large amounts of purified water by large-sized houses and commercial places. The head is forged by a low-lead, environment-friendly copper, which is much safer. The filter flask is modified with polymer materials that were imported from America. It can cater at least 80 kilos of pressure and has passed the pressurized freezing test at 30 degrees below zero. It is safe and durable. This series of products employs a module design. You can choose between having a standard design or a luxury design. The 360-degree universal installation meets the various requirements. The water pressure is displayed on the gauge. The luxury type has a universal pressure control, additional long-acting golden cylinder pressure control module, long-acting golden cylinder pressure control technology, and can adjust pressure between 3 to 20 MPa. The range of adjustment and service life are enhanced in comparison to a conventional diaphragm-type pressure control. It is suitable for users who live in buildings with more than 6 floors or suitable in an environment that has excessive water pressure. Dual pressure gauge shows the inlet pressure and steady pressure after adjustment. The auto monitoring system is free of maintenance and was upgraded from being a manual automatic central water purification filters with smart control, smart filter, and smart purification. Patent jump spring design uses only 2 seconds in order to have a module switch. It has an Apple straight and touch control screen, which is vital for the handling the operation system. The flushing circle and time can be set through modules with large digital numbers. It also provides a one-click feature for auto and fixed mode, or even the manual cleaning mode, which is ideal to promote ease of use. The system has a low power consumption and can work well with a battery or from a direct power source, which is good for many different conditions. Its self-checking function for drain valve closing, auto alarm for fault in case of leakage, and after-sales service makes it safe and convenient. The conducted test for the water contact materials for this series provided good results when it passed the tests given by the international authorities, such as the likes of SGS and SF. The recovery and soaking test required by National Centers for Disease Control and Prevention also awarded a sanitary permit for the pre-filters.